How to create a course in one day right from your kitchen. Are you ready to get started? You only need three things. Let's go. First, you're going to need an amazing course hosting site like Kajabi, which is what I use. I've used Kajabi since 2014. It's an amazing space. And right now, you can get a Kajabi 30-day free trial. I have the link below. If you go to their website, they only offer 14 days. So grab that 30-day free trial in the comment section below. But you're also going to get free access to Viral Bootcamp. Listen, if you're a course creator, one of the things that you need to do is not just build fast, but you need to start selling even faster. And I'm going to show you the exact way to go viral through any of your social media platforms. Yes, and even Facebook. I've done it myself, but I'm going to give you some additional tools here. There's going to be the TikTok cheat sheet. You get 50 stories that sell, and then also how to get 100K IG followers in a matter of months. So if you get the 30-day free trial, you're just going to send me an email showing me that you signed up, and you're going to get free access to this amazing training to help you sell more courses faster. Okay, let's jump in. This is the fun part. I'm going to walk you through how to literally create a course in minutes using Kajabi, all while you're drinking your coffee. You can be done by the time your coffee is finished. This is crazy. Let's get started. Now we are in the products tab, and you'll see here on the left navigation, it's going to include courses, coaching, community, podcasts, which is new, newsletters, which is new, and downloads, which is really new. So let's go ahead and just start with courses. So if you are a course creator right now, this is going to be very familiar to you in many different ways. Many platforms are kind of set up the same way, but I'm going to walk you through creating a new product. So if you are brand new to course creation, I'm going to show you how fast and efficient that Kajabi makes it for you, because they do have a built-in AI tool. So this is really great if you are not sure what kind of content to add. They're going to help create some of it for you. So this is where you're going to be able to come in and you can create a course, a community, a newsletter. You have all your options here. We're going to go ahead and choose course. So from here, you're just going to put in a title. So I'm just going to say UKG training. Sell products on TikTok and IG for women 40 plus. Now that's very specific. So this is where you're going to be able to have AI help. If you keep this toggled on, it's going to generate content through AI, or if you already have your outline, you already know what you're using, you can turn it off. But for this purpose, I want to show you what it looks like when the AI is creating it. So go ahead and click next. From here, you can choose primary colors. Remember, we talked about how you can already pre-install your custom color codes. You would just click the colors that you want to use to help streamline the process. You would add a thumbnail so that it would show up as part of your brand. Just going to go ahead and click next. This can be free or paid. You also have the option for one-time payment, multi-pay, which I personally do not recommend. You can have subscriptions. Go ahead and put the price point in here. You can also let your customers pay what they want. I'm specifically set up to use Kajabi payments. I do not use PayPal or Stripe. If you'd like to know why, you can send me a private message at Chris4Digital. And that's actually a really important question. You're going to want to know why. So if you have questions on why I don't promote that, you can go ahead and send me a message. You can also add, which I love, this is brand new of 2024, you can add Apple Pay, Google Pay. You want to use these because over 78% of your buyers are coming from their mobile apps. So if they already have Apple Pay, Google Pay, it's a quick instant pay, which means you're going to have a higher conversion rate, typically up to 62% higher conversion rate, because it's a one-click checkout for them. Super easy. Higher conversion rate because it's a one-click checkout for them. Super easy. Generating all of the content that it's going to install into your course. So it's doing all the dirty work. It's creating your landing page. It's creating your course outline. It's creating all your content. Here is the complete outline for this UKG training course. And you'll see over here on the left, everything is in a draft mode. You'll be able to also see all of the modules. You'll see here, it'll show a folder, which is a module, and then these are pages within the module. You'll see drop downs. You'll see all the content that AI is generated for you. So you can either keep what they provided in here, or you can update it based on what you want to add or adjust. So that's super convenient. Now, if you are just starting out and you're really wanting to get a course up and running super quick, here's my suggestion. When you go over to draft, you'll hit the downward button. They've got a couple options in here. They have publish, drip, or lock. So whenever you're starting out, if you have a brand new course, maybe you can only get one module done this week. You would create all of that content and you could actually have it published. But maybe you don't have this content open until maybe a week or 2 weeks. You could hit drip and then you would add 7 days from then. So what this would do is whenever somebody buys your course, they'd have, let's say this is in publish, they'd have access to this module right away, but they would have to wait 7 days before they could get this next module. So this is really good if you're brand new and you're just launching. It makes it super easy to not get overwhelmed. You can focus on this one module only and then worry about the next one in the following week. The other thing you can do is you can customize your actual course outline. It automatically will put you in a Premier product, but you can also install a template. If you purchase one, you can just upload it here. Remember, it already added the offer. Remember, we added it for $99, so it's already built in here. This would be where your customers are. If you have a certification program, you can add certificates in here. You would just have to fill out all of the details. You would just toggle this on and then add whatever information goes in there. Then for your settings, this is just details on the course. You can also provide live sessions. You would just toggle this on. You would put in all of the details for that. You can also enable community for this course, which is really nice too if you have a monthly membership or a community that shares the course. So that is the actual outline for the course. The other really great thing that Kajabi does, we've already gone through so many things like the AI tools and having Apple Pay and things like that, because you don't need multiple checkouts, is managing comments. I personally love having comments on because people can ask questions within the training module, and then you'll get a notification when someone has a question in there. It's also a great way for your other course members to communicate with each other and help support each other. So this is where you would manage those comments. You would just open this up. You'll see here, this is just my training session right now. There's no comments in here, but all the comments would be in here. You'd be able to see which ones were read, which ones were deleted, which ones are unread, and you would be able to respond to them right from here. Very convenient. So if you're brand new to course creation, it's super simple to do. You can use Canva, which I personally use. I've used Zoom. I used Zoom for my very first training that I ever did live back in 2017. You can use the snipping tool. A lot of people don't know this, but if you have the snipping tool on your computer, you can actually record video. And yes, I'm actually using it right now to record this video for you. You can use PowerPoint presentation and record it on there. You can also use iMovie. There's millions of options, but my go-to is always Canva, and snipping tool is super, super easy to grab, real quick in a pinch. And just because you've decided to create a course does not mean that you have to create a video. No, yes, you can definitely create video content, but you can also use text-based content. You can create audio lessons. You can do document uploads, quizzes, and assessments. You can do different assignments. And again, you can also just do live coaching and record those as a foundational basis for your course and use them later as video files for your automated course. And that's it. It's really that simple to get into Kajabi and create a course in minutes. But now listen, if you're still feeling like you're not really sure, or maybe you want to sell a course that everyone is dying to buy and you want to sell hundreds a month, but you really don't know where to start, I want you to go ahead and jump on this free training that I have. It's going to teach you all of those lessons, going to give you the 3 secrets to creating a course that everyone wants to buy and how to sell hundreds a month. It's going to be my exact format that I have been using for a decade. So go ahead and click on that link, go ahead and jump on that, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. I'll see you in the next training.